Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the security tricks on Motorola Moto G86 Power. Okay, so let's begin. When it comes to the Motorola, we have a whole Moto Secure app which we can use, but more about it in a second. We can also always open up our simple settings. In here we can scroll down until we find the security and privacy options. Maybe let's begin in here, and let's begin with setting up a screen lock, because that's like the key of our security level. So we have pattern, PIN, or the password. I'll show you how to set the pattern, for example. Now we have those 9 dots, and we need to connect at least 4 of those dots to create our pattern. So simply draw your pattern. If you want to try again, click on clear. Now hit on next if you want to save. Now redraw your pattern, click on confirm, click on done, and now our lock screen has been successfully set. Straight from here we can go also into the device unlock, and in here we have the fingerprint, the face unlock, and also the theft protection. And let's begin with setting up a fingerprint also. And now we need to click on setup, click on got it, and in here on the bottom of the screen we have our sensor. And make sure that your screen isn't dirty. Same thing with your finger. Now we need to place our finger on the sensor. Now we need to touch it and lift. And now we need to repeat that process until we fulfill this square which is right now on the center of the screen. So repeat that process. Sometimes it takes a few tries. Also you can try placing your finger from different angles. It also might help. Simply repeat the process until everything is saved. Okay, and now we are done. As you can see, the fingerprint has been successfully saved. If you want, you can click on add another to add another fingerprint. Now click on done, and now we have our fingerprint set. We also have the face unlock. If you want, you can set it. Now all you need to do is to click on setup, and now you need to place your face inside of that frame to save your face. Okay, when it comes to the theft protection, we have the theft detection lock and also the offline device lock. When it comes to the theft detection lock, the screen will lock if this setting detects that someone took your device and ran away. If you want, you can enable it. It works pretty cool. And also same thing with the offline device lock. The screen will lock shortly after your device goes offline to help protect your data. You can also enable it, click on OK, and now it will work just fine. Also, we have options such as remote lock and find and erase your device. When you enable the remote lock, if you want to use it, it requires your SIM card or eSIM. And now to use it, if you lose your device, you can remotely lock it. And now how it works. You need to go into that page, android.com/lock, and the next thing you need to do is to simply type your phone number. Okay, and when we have the Find Hub enabled, this feature, we can, for example, lock the screen of our device when we use the Find Hub app or the Find Hub web. And also we can remotely factory reset our device if someone stole it. So in here we can also do it. Now let's go back from here. And now let's go into the app security. Click on Google Play Protect. And let's scan in search for harmful apps. Okay, no harmful apps found, so we don't need to perform any action. If the phone tells you to do something, simply follow the instruction on the screen. Okay, from here we can go into the account security and click on Google Security Checkup. Okay, in here also everything is fine. If something will be wrong, you will see a notification, and if there will be something to do, simply follow the instruction on the screen. Now let's go into the password checkup. In here we can check, do we have some compromised passwords, are our passwords unique, and do we have some 2 weak passwords. As you can see, in my case, I have 2 weak passwords, and thanks to that, the password checkup, when I'll click on that, I will see in which apps I have weak passwords, and it's like a recommendation from your phone what to change. It's like a suggestion to create a stronger password. So you can take a look from time to time right in here. And now I have shown you the device finders. Now let's simply click on System and Updates, and let's click on Check for Updates. As you can see, in my case, I have possibility to download the Google Play update. I won't do it right now because I have other things to show you. But if you have that possibility, you can download it right in here. Now let's click on Security Update. Everything looks good due to our phone. Simply click on Got It, and we also don't need to do anything. Also, cool thing is having a backup of your data. That's the last option. Because if you have a backup of your data, you can always restore it on any other device, because the backup is stored in the Google Cloud. All you need to do is to simply remember your Google account on which you are logged in currently, because if you want to restore the backup in the future, you will need to be logged in into the same Google account that you can see right in here on your device, of course. To create a backup, make sure that you have some free storage space. Also, select Backup by Google One, simply enable the feature, and I'll simply click on Backup now. Now the process will start. I also need to confirm by drawing my screen lock. Okay, and now under the backup word, a thin bar appeared, as you can see, and it's starting slowly to fulfill. Basically, when it disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully made. If everything goes well, you'll see a notification on the bottom of the screen that your data has been backupped, and also under the Backup by Google One sentence, we will see how long ago the backup was made. Alright, so I'll see you once the backup is finished. Alright, the backup has been successfully made, as you can see 0 minutes ago, and as you take a look on the hour, it was like 1 second ago. So everything went fine. Now we can go back, and from here now we can close it up, and we can launch the Moto Secure that I was talking before. It's right in here. And in here, for example, we can scan for threats, we can create a secure folder, and for example set the app lock. So first let's begin with scanning for potential threats. Alright, everything is good, as you can see. When you click on the essential protection, we can create the secure folder, the app lock, set the auto lock, use PIN Pad Scramble, and set the finishing detection. Let's create a secure folder first. Click on Continue, click on Next, Next, and Next. We need to log in into the secure folder. Thanks to that, the apps in that secure folder will be updated automatically, if there will be some updates, of course. Okay, choose a lock for your secure folder. Again, it can be pattern, PIN, or password. I'll select the pattern, and I'll pick actually the same password that I got for my lock screen. Okay, and now it has been created. If you want, you can enable the secure folder recovery, and if you want to do it, you need to log in into your Moto account. We can also set up the fingerprint unlock. You can enable it to you can unlock the fingerprint to unlock your secure folder. Now, if you want to add things into your secure folder, simply click on that plus button and you can add files, or for example the apps. I'll click on the apps, click on add, and now for example let's hide, I don't know, maybe the YouTube. Now click right in here, and now our YouTube has been moved into our secure folder. But as you can see, it's still in the on the home screen. So as an extra thing, you can simply remove the YouTube now from your home screen. I think it should be in here, but it doesn't want to appear. Okay, hit on remove, and now we only have YouTube in our secure folder. Just to show you, as you open up the app drawer, the secure folder is right in here. Now let's log in, and in here we have our YouTube. And if someone will want to open up the YouTube, the only way to get it is through the secure folder. Okay, the next thing in the secure menu is the app lock. Thanks to that, we can lock our apps, and it will require to draw the screen lock to open those apps. Let me show you. Now select the apps that you want to add. For example, let it be Facebook. And now, if someone wants to open it up, boom, it needs our screen lock if someone wants to open it up. So it's also a pretty cool feature. As you open up the settings, you can also enable to use the fingerprint to unlock, or for example the face unlock. Okay. Under the Android security settings, I was showing you that. In here also you can check for security updates. Now let me show you the auto lock. So automatically lock your phone when you move away from a trusted location, device, or Wi-Fi network. Simply go forward, and in here you can add trusted places, trusted devices, and the trusted networks. Basically, when you add them and when you are at those places, simply your device will be still unlocked, but when you leave them, the device will automatically lock. So it's up to you. Do you want to use it? In my case, I think it's not necessary for me, so I'll skip it. Also, we have the PIN Pad Scramble. Click on Go to Settings. Click on the Screen Lock. Oh, wait a second. PIN Pad and Scramble. Okay, it needs to be, the screen lock needs to be a pin. If you want to use it, select the pin. Okay. Remember that your pin requires at least four numbers. And now we should be able to use pin and scramble. Click on Explore. And now, if you enable it, you won't have a default layout of the numbers. They'll be simply shuffled. Now let me show you how it works. As you can see, we have 1, 2, 0, 7, 5, 3, 8, 6, and 9 and 4. So basically the keyboard is simply shuffled. If you want to enable this feature, for me it also looks pretty cool, so I think I'll keep it. Okay, now let's go back into the Moto Secure. We have also the network security, and we can enable to protect from online scammers. Click on Explore. You can enable it. And now we have the LO list. These are your trusted websites. Currently there is no any because I wasn't surfing the internet, but after some period of time you will have alerts if some pages seems to be scamming ones. Okay, I have shown you everything that I wanted to. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.